In my last few videos, I show you how to create multiple dependent dropdown. In this video, I will show you how to create dual dependency multiple dependent dropdown. For example, I have a dropdown table on which you can see we have business, we have position for business, also we have position for healthcare, and also we have position for education. Now if I go to table dropdown, and let's say I select business position, I can see all of the position. And here I'm facing problem because I only want to see the position related to business position, not the education position, not the healthcare position. Same is if I select healthcare department, I only want to see healthcare department, not all of the department related to education, related to business. So how to solve this issue? I will show you a new solution for this. Consider I have this blank data sheet. The first thing we need to create drop down for category. What I need to do, I will click on this arrow. Here you can see edit column type. Simply click drop down. On the very right side, you can see criteria. Simply select drop down from a range. Select data range, click here, go to drop down table, click on A2, drag the mouse down, and now simply remove the end reference. Hit OK. On the very right side, scroll a little bit more, click on advanced options, scroll a little bit more, display style, and simply select arrow format, hit done button. And this is how we create our first level drop down. Now I will select few options for my second level drop down. To create second level drop down, first thing we need to create two helper sheet. One is the second level and one is the third level. Of course, the formula will be same for second level, but for third level, we will create a little bit advanced formula. The first thing, I will click on A2 cell, simply type equal. Now click on table drop down sheet. Click on B2, drag the mouse down and simply remove the end reference. And now hit Ctrl Shift Enter and now hit Enter. Now I will click on B2 cell and simply apply filter function. Open parenthesis. Click on question mark. The first thing, what range you want to bring. I will click on drop down table. In this case, I want to get the value from second column. So I will click on B2, drag the mouse down and simply remove the end reference, hit comma. And what is the condition? In this case, I want condition based on column A. What I need to do, I will click on A2, drag the mouse down and simply remove the end reference. Whenever this column equal to, now click on second level sheet again and click on A1 cell and simply close parenthesis, hit enter. The next thing, we need to apply unique function just to make our list shorter. Open parenthesis and close parenthesis on the very end, hit enter. The next thing, we need to transpose this list. I will click on B1 cell again. After equal sign, simply type space, lift arrow key and now type transpose function. If you simply write TRA, double click on transpose function and simply close parenthesis, hit enter. The next thing, we need to drag this formula down. But I don't want to drag and drop this formula again and again. So what I need to do, I will apply by row function. After equal sign, simply type space, lift arrow key and now write by row function. Open parenthesis, what is the array or range you want to loop? In this case, I will select A1, drag the mouse down and simply remove the end reference because I want to loop for the entire column. Hit comma. We need to apply lambda function. Open parenthesis. Now for the lambda function, we need to define the name. In this case, I will define name as a x, hit comma. And for the formula expression, this whole is my formula. But instead of A1, I will simply type x because we define x as the column A. And now simply close parenthesis for lambda function and by row function, hit enter, and this formula will extract all of column B data row by row for entire column A. Now everything is simple. I will go to table drop down sheet, click on this arrow, edit column type, drop down from a range, Select data range, click here, go to second level sheet, click on B2 and drag the mouse to the right side. In this case, I will remove the end reference, but I will not remove the one, I will remove the E. Before hitting OK, you must need type equal sign, and this tip is very important, otherwise your dependent dropdown will not work. Now simply hit OK, scroll a little bit more, advanced options, I want arrow style, hit done button. Now this is how our second level dependent dropdown is working. Now we need to apply our third level dropdown. So for this, first I will go to my third level blank sheet. Click on A1 cell, simply type equal, click on table dropdown sheet, click on column B and C, remove the end reference, simply type Ctrl Shift Enter and hit Enter. Now I will click on C1 cell, simply type filter function, open parenthesis, what is the range you want to extract here. I will click on drop down table, click on C2 cell, drag the mouse down and simply remove the end reference, hit comma. For the condition 1, I will click on A2 cell, drag the mouse down, simply remove the end reference. Whenever this equal to, go to third level sheet. In this case, I will click on A1 cell, hit comma. For the condition 2, I will go to drop down table again. In this case, I will click on B2, drag the mouse down, simply remove the end reference, type equal, go to third level sheet, click on B1 cell, close parenthesis and hit enter. Now this will extract only the location related to business location. The next thing, we need to apply transpose function, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, hit enter. Now we don't want to drag and drop this formula for each and every values in column A and B, so I will apply map function instead of by row function. After equal sign, hit space, left arrow key and now simply type map function, open parenthesis, what is the array 1, click on A1, drag the mouse down and simply remove the end reference, hit comma, what is the array 2, close this suggestion for now, click on B1, drag the mouse down and simply remove the end reference, hit comma. Now click on this question mark again. We need to define lambda function, open parenthesis. Now for the name, I will define X for column A, Y for column B, hit comma. And what is the formula or expression? This whole is my formula, but instead of A1, I will define X, and instead of B1, I will define Y. Close parenthesis for lambda function, close parenthesis for map function and hit enter. Now this will extract all of the location or product based on column A and B, not on single column. I will go to table drop down, click on this arrow icon, edit column type, define drop down from a range, select data range, click here, third level sheet, click on C2, drag the mouse to the right side. In this case, I will remove the E at the end reference. Again, I'm explaining you must need type equal sign, otherwise this method will not work. Simply hit OK button, scroll a little bit more, advanced option, apply arrow style. You can apply any style you like, hit done button. And now if I go to table drop down sheet, my third level is working fine.